Hey everyone, today we got a special guitar in for repair. This is a 1953 Martin D18. And it came to me through a repair client of mine. This one has some top cracks. It's got some buzzing in the open. I noticed a crack in the rosewood bridge that runs long ways across the bridge pin holes, and whenever I see that, it's kind of a red flag. That means that something's going on with the bridge plate. The strings pulling on the top are no longer supported properly, and so it's putting a unhealthy load onto the bridge itself. And so I took a look inside, and sure enough, the ball ends of the strings are digging up into the bridge plate. So we need to fix that. I think we caught it in time. I don't think I need to fabricate a new bridge, which is often what I end up doing in those cases. But I think we caught it in time, and I can just fix this crack, and it'll be mostly just superficial. So it's not a mint instrument. It's played, it's worn, it's had some previous repair work done. It's had some cleating on the sides. It looks like it took a fall or got a knee or something here. It's got some other cracks under the pick guard that have been cleated. But the cleating's good. I mean, it all looks like it was done properly. But it is a great sounding guitar. I can't wait to get it set up. That buzzing kind of. So it's a really cool guitar. Martin in the mid-40s started to go away from their really delicate scallop bracing that they had in the pre-war instruments. But this is still in an era where it wasn't as heavy as it was going to get. And it's just that, like, that sweet spot. So you get this really crisp, clear tone out of these instruments. But there's a little bit more drive and a little bit more headroom, I think. So with the 1953 D18s, as well as many other Martins from that era, it's hard to tell what the top material is. Traditionally, Martins were Sitka spruce. They did start using Adirondack spruce and some German spruce at various points. To me, this looks like a Sitka spruce top because of the color of the wood on the interior of the guitar. But it's really impossible to know. And I've heard some people refer to this era of Martin tops as sort of mystery woods. I think it was kind of all over the place, to be honest. So I don't know what the top of this is. Back and sides mahogany, neck is mahogany, and the fretboard and peghead overlay are rosewood, which is a difference from the earlier ebonies. Also, at this time, they started to increase the size of their position markers. These are look to be like original no-line Kluson Deluxe tuners. Yeah, it's gonna be a really nice guitar when I'm done with it. I'll get these cracks fixed and cleated. There's one long one here and a shorter one over here. This crack has been cleated, but it looks like it might need some work there. I'll get this bridge plate fixed up, this bridge fixed, and I'm gonna replace the nut and saddle. So when I'm all done, I'll give this a play for you guys, and you can check it out. It's gonna be a monster guitar. Alright everybody, thank you for following along. If you liked today's video, please hit the subscribe button and the like button and the share button and all that jazz. Till next time, be well, be kind, and I will talk to you later.